from the several part of this country came there to study. But due to this lockdown situation, they will not be able to get back to their cities. And since the hostel facility is available, there was no clear-cut any kind of justification from the university authorities that how they are maintaining the social distancing in the university campus, despite knowing that there are almost 3,100 people are still staying inside the campus. So this is the kind of situation right now, and even the government is still seeking the justification from them that how it happened and who is the entire responsible for this entire incident, why they have not revealed such kind of number. It's a huge number. 3,100 people are still inside the campus. Yes, Christine.
Yes, because, you know, we've accessed the show cause notice which has been sent out by the Government of Punjab Department of Higher Education and Languages to the Vice Chancellor of Lovely Professional University in Phagwara. And it does clearly say that it has come to light that in spite of all instructions, ignoring the gravity of the situation and jeopardizing the life of about 3,200 people and thousands others to which infection can spread, you did not shut down completely, which clearly means that the university kept the entire administration in dark. They lied about having shut down the campus. There were so many students who were still residing in the campus premises, Amandeep.
Yes, exactly. This is the reason. Just because the government has issued the notices to all the private and government universities to shut down their campuses, and even the Lovely Professional University has not done so far. And when the one case turned positive from that campus, then the issue cropped up. Then this information just come up just because there are almost 25 to 2,600 students, and rest of them are the university campus staff are still staying inside. And in fact, no information has been given to any authority related to the government, so that at least they can go and get some medical checkups done just because one case has turned positive. And also the government can do the social distancing. Till the time the information did not come up, the government remained helpless, and now government is acting tough against them that how it happened and who is the responsible for this. The information we are getting that in fact the government is planning to take a hard action against all the authorities who have done this, just because this is a clear-cut violation of the lockdown norms.
Not just that, the administration has highlighted that the university authorities did not cooperate with the district administration and health department in sending the patient to the hospital. So complete violation of the lockdown, not having followed the social distancing norms, also failing to send the patient to the hospital, putting 3,200 lives in danger. Many thanks, Amandeep. We'll leave it at that, but we'll